G'day, I'm Ivan from Slavish Sunset Studios. I put this video together about Malua Bay because there's not a lot of stuff about Malua Bay on YouTube or Google, especially if you're a tourist or if you want to know stuff about the local area. So I've put this together for your pleasure. I hope you find it valuable. At the end I've also put something about the fires in 2019, my personal experiences. So if you're a little bit too traumatized about that, you don't need to watch that part, you can stop there.
Malua Bay, postcode 2536, is a locality in the south coast region of the state of New South Wales, Australia. It is situated in the Eurobodalla Shire. At the 2016 census, Malua Bay had a population of 1929, so as of 2022, I suspect the population is around 2,200. Malua Bay has a range of beaches and bays on its border with the Tasman Sea, including Malua Bay Beach, Mosquito Bay, Garden Bay and Mackenzie's Beach. Recreational fishing is popular from the rocks at many of these beaches, and what you're looking at here in the video now is the main beach at Malua Bay. On the 14th of October 2013, a freak hailstorm created an unbelievable scene on the beach. Malua Bay Town Centre is located astride George Bass Drive, which is approximately 13 kilometres drive from the town of Batemans Bay. The town boundaries extend to Duns Creek Road in the west, Ridge Road to the north, and almost to Burry Road in the south, where it abuts the town of Rosedale. Malua Bay is approximately 280 kilometres south of Sydney, so about a 4-hour drive, and 160 kilometres east of Canberra via the Kings Highway, so about a 2.5-hour drive from Canberra. So what's popular at Malua Bay? Well, of course, fishing, surfing, swimming, sunbaking on the beach is a pretty big activity. In terms of entertainment, you've got Raymond's the Chinese in the main abode hotel there, which is very popular. And of course the bowling club was burnt down in the fires, but they're rebuilding that, so that's quite popular too. Both Malua Bay and Mackenzie's Beach are very popular in summertime. You can see there's some lovely houses adjoining the beach here on the southern side of Malua Bay. A great spot, and the waves vary. Sometimes it can be quite significant in terms of waves. Other times I'm here in May 2022, and the waves are quite calm at the moment. Here is an aerial view from my drone for you to enjoy. That's a drone they use, or UAV. Unmanned aerial vehicle. There's Dave. Thanks, Dave.
The school of Australian salmon and things. Yeah.
Malua Bay. There we are.
So that's at the north end of the beach.
Okay, north end of the beach. They're just circling around. Okay.
They'll go right
That's just
in.
during the day.
Yeah, they'll go right in close to the beach.
On the 11th of January.
Yep.
Malua Bay. My daughter won't go in the water now, which is even.
They're out there all the time.
Wow, it's a bronze whaler just off the rocks. Wow. Bronze whaler shark just off the rocks. Although thank God we've got this UAV pilot, David. Good on you, David. You're a good man, mate.
Cheers.
There's a hammerhead. When was this?
Oh, it's not that easy to watch. That was a while ago.
Hammerhead shark off the Malua Bay. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Lucky we got you here, Dave,
You're out there, mate.
to protect us on the beach here at Malua Bay. Much appreciated. I haven't heard of anyone being bitten by a shark off Malua Bay, but they are there, but it pays to be careful. Stunning evening here with the sky, calm waves coming in, very nice. It is beautiful. What a nice evening.
Is that what you wanted?
Stream by the side of Malua Bay Beach. Nice at sunset. Have a walk along the beach at sunset. Very nice. Lots of new housing in Malua Bay. A beautiful feature on the northern end of Malua Bay Beach. Often the waves crash into these rocks, creating a real spectacle. Sunrise and sunset are stunning at Malua Bay. Mosquito Bay boat ramp is very popular to launch your boat and jet ski. There's also a great cafe, 366, next door, which is very popular amongst locals and tourists. We're low tide here at the boat ramp in Malua Bay. Malua Bay also has a fishing comp on the June long weekend. Now here we have beautiful Mackenzie's Beach, which is in Malua Bay. Very, very popular amongst tourists and locals. It's a nice sized beach, great for swimming. It's not patrolled, but it really doesn't need to be because the rips are very tame here. Great for surfing, great for body surfing and swimming and just generally enjoying the sun. The council is installing a walking trail from Bateman's Bay all the way to Malua Bay. Also recently announced in May 2022 is a big upgrade to the Malua Bay recreational area. So the storage sheds for the surf club is now completed. And there's Malua Bay. May 2022. So that's the area that's going to be developed, that outdoor sheds going down, and additional paths, an outdoor exercise park, and more play equipment for the kids. And a viewing platform over there near that Norfolk Island pine tree. House prices have gone up a fair bit, with this one on the market for $1.2 million on George Bass Drive. I'll give you an idea how much these values have changed. You could have bought that house a couple of years ago for about, I reckon, about 500 grand. Asking price, as at May 2022, $1.75 million. Just a slight increase in value. They did chop the tree down at the front though. This is our beach house, available for rent. You can look it up on stays.com if you're interested. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I did have a personal experience with the bushfires on the last day of the decade, 31st of December 2019. So look, you know, you can drop off here if you don't want to watch this, but I thought I'd just share my experiences of the bushfires that took place at Malua Bay at the end of the decade. Cheers. Thanks for watching.
And right next to us, we're going to try to put that one out. The house is still there. The house is still there. Trying to put out a number of fires already. Hit this with a bucket. I could just stay here, right?
Yeah, if it changes this way we go, but if it doesn't change...
There's a fire at Malua Bay, guys. Pretty scary. We've got aircraft. And there's the fire just across the road from our house. Yeah.
No time for us.
So they're threatening these houses across the road. Right here at Malua Bay. We put out a bunch of spot fires out the front. The fire's just there, end of the road. It's our neighbour. He's been putting out fires up there. It's been on the other side, Ray. Ryan, come on, mate. Yeah, it's just spraying up on the water, on the grass.
They're too green to smother.
What's that, mate?
They're too green.
The back burn, you mean?
No,
Oh, the grass is green.
underneath you're going to burn out. But you see how the tops of the trees are they're not flamed up yet? Because that one there went up.
What do you reckon that gunfire is? That shooting animals? Leaving his house, is he? Is it not, it's not even his house, he's renting.
Is he?
Yeah. There's the bushfires in Malua Bay. Bloody hell. The house is still up. Trying to save our house so she doesn't go up.
That crackle is the gum.
Yeah, no, it's a gum tree too. Looks like it's going through there.
I'd be moving that fucking car if that was me.
Oh, looks like the fireys have arrived. It's burning up the hill too, look. See up the hill. Got a few houses gone, I think.
Jet skis.
Eh?
It'll be hot.
Yeah, I think our other house is going to go. I cleaned out the
Leaves.
I cleaned out the leaves of the house. Yeah, I think that house is going to go. Hope the residents got out. I saw cars coming out of there. Out of that, as embers had fallen, mate. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Let's see if it... It's opposite our house at Malua Bay. Pretty bloody scary, man. This is Malua Bay burning. Pretty bad. I'm just going to check the backyard. Oh, bloody hell. Let's go back a bit, mate. It's opposite our house. There's a burner. So they're not wrong about out of control. The embers going everywhere, man. The embers going everywhere. It's opposite our house. We're just hoping our house doesn't go up. Opposite our house at Malua Bay, eh, Royal?
Yeah.
Pretty bloody scary. Look at the embers. Eve, last day of the decade.
2019 with a bang.
We'll just put out the stuff. That was too dangerous. Too dangerous.
The wind's blowing that way.
The wind's blown away from our house. Yeah, just there. We just want to make sure our house doesn't go off. We'll put out a few flies already. That's a fire on the road.
It's obviously, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't go any further that way, mate. The fire's just there. Yeah. Now go up there, mate. You go up a bit, drive right into the fire.
They need a fire truck in.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel Slavich Sunset Studios. Bye for now.